Hello students and welcome back to the channel Learn for Dreams. Today we will see some important points about friction. So let's start with the definition. Friction is defined as resistive force acting in opposite direction at the surface in body which tends to move or it moves. Okay? Friction force always acts tangentially at point of contact. There are two types of friction, that is static friction and kinetic friction. Let's see the definition of static friction. It is friction experienced by a body or mass under the action of external force when there is no motion between body and contacting surface. Now the definition for kinetic friction. It is friction experienced by a body or mass when it is in motion. The two types of kinetic friction is sliding friction and rolling friction. Let's see what is sliding friction. When a body slides over the another body or surface, then their sliding friction occurs. The resistive force is known as sliding frictional force. This is the diagram for sliding friction. This is the surface. This is the body sliding in this direction. This is the external force F. This is the resultant reaction against gravitational force mg, and mu mg is the sliding frictional force. Now let's see rolling friction. When a body rolls over the another body or surface, then the rolling friction occurs. The resistive force is known as rolling frictional force. Let's understand with the help of diagram. This is the surface and this is the rolling surface. It is rolling in clockwise direction. This is a normal force opposing the force applied on body due to the gravity, and this mu mg is the rolling frictional force. Now let's see how to calculate frictional force. This is the diagram. There are two possibilities. If external force F is less than sliding resistive force mu mg, then there is no motion in body and frictional force of the body is equal to the external force. Second possibility is if F is greater than mu mg, then body slides over the surface and frictional force is given as F is equal to mu mg. Clear till here? Let's find out what is angle of friction. Here in this diagram, the angle phi is angle of friction. At the time of just slide, the angle between normal reaction and resultant reaction is called as angle of static friction. Now concentrate at triangle ABC. Tan phi is equal to mu mg divided by r, and r is equal to mu mg. Mg gets cancelled, so tan phi is equal to mu. Therefore phi is equal to tan inverse of mu. Right? Now the next definition is angle of repose. This is a horizontal surface and this is an inclined surface where a body is sliding in this direction. This is the direction where weight of body is acting. Angle of repose is defined as an angle of inclined plane with horizontal at which body is in condition of just sliding. This is angle alpha, that is angle of repose. Now let's move ahead and see the relation between angle of friction and angle of repose. This is a horizontal and inclined plane. This is the direction in which body is moving. This is angle of repose alpha. This is the direction in which force due to weight is acting. This is the resultant reaction. This is frictional force mu r. These are the components of force W, that is W sin alpha and W cos alpha. From the diagram we can say that R minus W cos alpha is equal to 0. Both of them are acting in opposite directions. Therefore R is equal to W cos alpha. Next equation is mu r minus w sin alpha is equal to 0. That is, put r is equal to w cos alpha in this equation. Mu w cos alpha minus w sin alpha is equal to 0. That is, mu w cos alpha is equal to w sin alpha. W get cancelled. We get mu is equal to sin alpha divided by cos alpha. That is, mu is equal to tan alpha. Also, we know that mu is equal to tan phi. That is, tan phi is equal to tan alpha. Right? So, we got alpha is equal to phi. It means angle of friction is equal to angle of repose. So this was all about friction and some concepts related to it. Hope you enjoyed learning. If you find this video helpful, please do like and share the video. Also subscribe to the channel Learn for Dreams and don't forget to hit the bell icon.